Hello everybody, One Mechanic Dave here. Today I have a Mac Tools expert tool haul and a review on some experts ratcheting wrenches. All right, check out what I got. Come on back. Mac tool haul. Experts half-inch drive metric from 10 to 36. There are two missing. He has them in order for me. I asked them if they were warranty. They said they weren't warranted. That they, that I guess the guy needed just those two sizes. So he just sold these two sizes from the set. So those two are coming. But I bought this because all my other impact sockets are experts, and my half-inch though was Cornwell. Good old Cornwell, made in the USA. You can see I've used it quite a bit. This is the 22, and this is the expert replacement 22. Now it's hard to see. But that is it. It's slightly shorter. The expert is a little bit thinner, I think, going around. The broaching is shallower on the Cornwell than it is on the expert. Other reason is I don't have a Cornwell dealer anymore, so I can't complete the set to bigger sizes. For instance, my 23 was a Sunex, so now my 23 is an expert. And look at that. Look how thin the Sunex is. I'm not even sure if I've ever even used this. Kind of looks like I might have used it maybe once or twice. But I mean, that could be good in a tight spot. But usually for tight spots I have chrome. So for most other stuff, you know, this is what I want. So that is my tool haul, and now I'm going to show you, all right, now I have a review on an expert ratcheting wrench. Be right back. So here are the new experts on the rail, and they are on the snap-on half-inch drive rail, which are actually made by Maximizer, if you guys didn't know that. But I got from 10 to 24 here. And then in the other box, this is where the Cornwells were, this back row. And in my other box, I had these from extra Cornwell. And now, and excuse the mess, but now all my bigger sizes are now in my big box. So these are the two that are missing. These are my chrome Tecton bigger sockets. They all fit on that rail. Pretty nice, actually. I might get a label gun and actually label the sizes. I'm not sure yet. But that's where all my bigger sizes are in my bigger box. And yes, it's a mess. So I bought these Expert ratcheting wrenches. It's one of the first things besides my Mack cart that I had off the Mack truck. And the reason why I bought this set is because it goes up to 1.25 inches. That is why I bought it. And it starts all the way down at 5/32. Here is a 9/16 that, see, they're reversible because they're angled, they're reversible. But the mechanism is broke. This is the second 9/16 I've replaced, and I've hardly ever have used these. I also don't like how thin this is, but I mean, that's a preference. The open end and everything is fine like that, and I use them quite a bit on the open ends on the other side of a hydraulic fitting when I need an extra wrench of the same size. But I mean, I personally would not recommend these. These are not the best ratcheting wrenches. I did a video a little bit ago talking about the stuff that I regretted buying off the tool truck, which is still true, the 1/2 inch drive snap-on impact, but this would be my second regret right here, is these wrenches. So I wanted to share that with you guys in case you're thinking about buying these. I'd maybe think twice about it. I don't know if I would buy the gear wrench personally. I've had some issues with some gear wrenches. I have some Cornwells that I've had since day one, about 20 years, and they've been fantastic, but they don't go that big and they're straight, they're not angled. I got some stubby dynamic flex wrenches, and they've been great so far, but I've only had them for about a month now. But yeah, as far as these go, I'm personally not happy with it. My dealer, he's giving me another one. He ordered it today, so I should have it in a week or so. But I think it's interesting that the same size wrench twice, and like I said, I use my metric ratcheting more than I do my standard, and it's already broken. And look, there's no marks on it, there's been no cheater bars or anything like that on it. And so, but I wanted to share that with you guys. All right. So yeah, I'm happy to have the sockets. The other sockets I've had, the rest of my impacts, 1/2 inch and 3/8 have all been Expert, and this now finishes out my Expert. The Cornwell have been great. The Cornwells are gonna go home in my personal box, because they are a USA made tool. But since I don't have a Cornwell guy that comes here, or he won't come here, so I can't fill in on anything without going through somebody else's Cornwell, and it just becomes a hassle. So the Mack dealer is a pretty good guy, and so he had them on his truck today, and I decided to get them. They were roughly $300, but it goes from 10 millimeter to 36 millimeter. So wide range. And it gives me the missing sizes that are missing from the Cornwell too. And the bigger ones go in my big box because I don't use the bigger sizes all the time. But up to 24 is in my cart, my everyday cart. The rest of them are in my big box here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Or something you don't like, or you have a different opinion on anything I've shown, please share it below. I love to hear what everybody's ideas or issues might be with tools. I think the more information we can get out, the better that other techs and mechanics can make an educated decision whether they want to buy it. Like I said, the expert sockets I've been super happy with. These ratcheting wrenches, I am not. But to each his own. Maybe you guys have something better you like more. And again, like I said, I bought this set because I went up to 1.25 inches and I wanted the bigger sizes. So who knows what I'm going to do with that. Maybe this 9/16 will be perfect. It'll work great. Right? Okay. Anyway, too much talking. One mechanic out. Ciao.